All right, let's go over the transitive property of parallel lines. This is like a half sheet. This is what it looks like. Like I said, it's just a half sheet, so we're just going to cut along this dotted line right here and throw it away. We don't need it. We're just going to paste this half sheet in our interactive student notebook. So all this says that if two lines are parallel to the same line, then they are parallel to each other. So this is like the transitive property of equality, but now we're just talking about parallel lines instead. So let's do this example. It says in the diagram, P is parallel to Q and Q is parallel to R. Find the measure of 8. Okay? Well, if P is parallel to Q, so if P is parallel to Q, and then Q is parallel to R, well, wouldn't that mean that P has to be congruent or has to be parallel to R? Okay, if these two are parallel, these two are parallel, that means all three of these have to be parallel. And that's all that's saying. So if all three of these are parallel, then I know this angle here and this angle here would be supplementary. So I can say 115 plus a measure of angle 8 equals 180. Okay, now subtract 115 from both sides. I get 65 equals the measure of angle 8. Okay, now some of you are thinking, how did I know these are supplementary? Okay, well what I did is I looked at this angle here and I looked at this angle here. Okay, and because these lines are parallel, because P and R are parallel, I know that these two in green are alternate exterior angles. Okay, and alternate exterior angles we know are congruent, so this has to be 115. And then I know that measure of angle 8 plus this angle, these are a linear pair, and therefore they are supplementary. So that's how I did that. So explain your reasoning, everything I just said right there. And that is it for transitive property of parallel lines.